it's me, JC, back with another Ceramic Art live stream. We didn't stream yesterday because I'm trying to get like some market stuff together. I'm gonna be doing the market this weekend. Yeah, I did not check on these. I thought these were like done. Yeah, they're not done. You can actually, this is actually kind of good for you guys. You can see the actual like color difference that happens. Like, so this is, well, actually this is like a bit hard right now, but you can actually see the color difference between when it's bone dry and when it's not there yet. This actually looks more like fresh clay, but I'm trying to like squeeze it and I can't. It's like so hard. I really completely forgot about this. But yeah, you can actually see the color difference that happens when you have stuff get to bone dry. So I'm just going to like throw these into my reclaim. They're just like too hard to even bother with right now. I hate throwing things in my reclaim, but things happen. I forget about a lot of things. This one I'm not sure about. We can try to get this one back. I actually have like no idea. So I'm just kind of like dipping it into my little water cup. I don't know, whatever. We'll just kind of see what we can do with that. I don't know. I do feel like we've been working on these like tripods probably for too long on the stream. I don't know. Maybe you guys are getting bored of that. So we can switch to make something else. I do love the idea of having like, so for like the slab plates, so we have the bunnies, we have some cats, cowboy boots, we have like a bunch of like those like cardboard templates. So my initial like reaction to like making, like decorating them, like so like the bunnies, for example, making them like different colors, different patterns. I want to show off like, you know, a bit of a variety for people to see, but I do think it would be really great if I had like just a bunch. And so we have like a number of varieties. I don't know how many we have of bunnies, but like let's say we have like 4 patterns for the bunnies, but there's really only one each, right? Like there's only one with gray spots, one with that's just black. So I do think it'd be really great for like my Etsy shop if I had like more than one, just so like the listing can kind of like pick up its own, like, was it like listings are like ranked, and basically because a lot of my things are just one-offs, they my pieces don't, you know, they have to be re-ranked every single time I make new stuff. But if I made like multiples of things, I think that would actually be a lot better for my shop. So I think we will, I don't know, what templates do we have? We've got full body bunny, we've got this, but actually I kind of want, we have 4 cats. We have 4 cats right now. We could do more cats and more full body bunnies. I do have 2 bunny faces that can be underglazed right now. Like they're ready to go. Why do I have 2 boot templates? I'm pretty sure, okay. One was like smaller. I think I scrapped this and then I like thought it fell. We have these like hearts. I don't know how I feel about the heart dishes. We have 3 heart dishes in the shop right now, or on Instagram. I've posted some pictures. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I want to put like some writing on them, but I have no idea like what. I want to do something sassy, but my shop doesn't really have that kind of sassy feel to it though. So I don't know. Yeah, let's roll out some clay. I don't know. Maybe we could do like, I don't know if we can get out like 2 bunnies, 2 more cats right now. I don't know if we could roll that much out. Okay, this needs to like sit somewhere else. I'm just gonna keep dunking this bit of clay and we'll just see what happens there. So yeah, we're gonna be slab building today. We're gonna just roll out a slab, cut these out, and then if there's any more time than that, we could just you know, carve into them. That's how I like to do slabs, is carve down into those dishes. So I think that'll be the plan for today. Let me see. Let me check on this. I think this bit of clay might be too dry. It's like pretty dry. I'm gonna like spray this down. Or, yeah, I'm gonna just spray this down really quick. I would dunk it, but my water bucket, my big one, doesn't have any water in it. Okay. We'll just have to get clay from the bag. Okay, and this is our stoneware. I should trim this, but I don't have my scissors on. Okay, so we have how dry are these? It's not too dry. We have like some lumps and bumps on the top that are just kind of chilling. They're not too dry. I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna like smush this to relatively about how much we need, just so I can kind of like visualize it. And then once I get how much I need, then we're going to wedge up a few sections of it. And then we'll just kind of go from there with shaping using the templates and stuff. I just want to get like a pretty like rough idea about like how much clay we're grabbing. Okay, so for one cat dish, I think we could do like this much for one dish. Let me just kind of, I don't have very much space over here. I have too much junk on the desk. Okay. All right. Anyway, so I am, if anyone happens to be in Portland, probably not, I don't know. anybody that watches me on YouTube or Twitch. I'm gonna be at the Saturday market. It's just like the market that's like downtown. I low-key wish they would rename their market because it's so like, it's very vague. It doesn't really tell you anything. And it's not even just Saturdays. It's Saturday and Sunday. I don't know. It's just weird. Anyway, so I'm gonna be at the market as a vendor for the first time ever there. I have done markets before, but this is like the first time I'm gonna be at the Saturday market. And why is this like, it's really dry or something? And this is the second market that I'm going to be a vendor at here in Portland. I did some back when I lived in Nebraska, like the farmer's market. That's pretty much all they had was the farmer's market. I did go to Omaha once. It was so great. If you live in that area, I highly recommend checking out Hutchfest. That happens, I think it's like just about downtown Omaha. And that one, it's so great. It's so great. So many people come there to be a vendor, and it's all, you know, handmade, homemade. I think they have like food stuff, maybe like handmade, homemade goods. Okay, I'm gonna say this is good for like one bunny. So we're gonna do, so that one's like a pile for 2 cats, and then this is gonna be a pile for 2 bunnies, I think. Yeah, so I am so excited. This is actually going to be the first time that I'm doing a market that is only going to focus on my ceramics, where all of the other markets that I've done, I was selling like the variety of items that I had been making, but I'm like focusing my business now. So that is exciting, but I did have to buy some different stuff. You know, like stuff to hold my pieces, you know, just like for the display. All of that. Just like a few other things. I made a new banner. The other banners that I've been using, I had made, but I don't have time to do that. You know, maybe once upon a time, I had time to make my own banner, but that is no more. So, I designed one and sent it off to get printed. I also ordered some new business cards, so I'm really excited to get those. Hopefully I can get those before the market. This is all feeling very last minute. Okay, I think we're just gonna do another little chunk, and then I think we'll be good. Let me wrap this up real quick. Okay, and now let me just kind of smush these together and wedge them up. I don't know. This is like pretty big. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna smush this and then like smush it, like cut it in half, and then we'll have like 2 equal lumps of clay here. This is actually a lot. This is probably like way too much. I'm like really bad at telling how much clay I need, so not a surprise. Slightly surprising because I actually tried to like sort of measure it out, but whatever. Okay, just give me a second. Just kind of smush this together. These are very different sizes. Okay. So we're just gonna put these together, and let me do the other. These are actually really big, so I think I'm going to wedge them separately. I'll just roll this one into one big ball and then cut it in half because I think that might be slightly easier. Maybe, I'm not really sure. Okay. All right. Let me just move this. I think I'll put like a little bit of water on the board. Just like the tiniest bit. The what I have here is canvas stapled to some wood. So whenever I am wedging, it does suck up a bit out of the clay. So this kind of counteracts that. Sometimes I'll add a little bit more water to the canvas too, if the clay is like on the drier side. Okay, so I just need to wedge all of these. I think I might do 2 so I can take a break and then we'll like do the other 2 later, like after we cut our templates out. I don't know, let's see. Okay, I think this one's looking good. I'm not seeing any like air bubbles popping in it. Okay, this one's looking pretty good, I think. Yeah, let's do, I don't know, I guess let's do this in 2 parts. It makes me so tired to roll it out. Okay. So we're gonna use our rolling pin in a second here, but I just kind of want to kind of like reshape it into either like a sphere or kind of like sort of like a cylinder-ish. Just something that's like somewhat even of a shape. Okay. Oh wait, it's a little bit better if I stand up. I think we have like so much clay here. I think I'm gonna try like do an oval shape. We'll see how far we can get, and then remove these. What do I do? I think I do, yeah, I think like 3 paint stir sticks tall is what we'll do for the height of the slab. Okay, so this is gonna be the bunny. So let's make sure we get a little bit more, get a little bit like taller. Okay, let's switch the direction. Am I going the wrong way? No, this is good. Actually, this is like fine. I just need it to be like actually the right height. Okay. And that's as far down as it's gonna go. All right. Now what we're going to do is compress the clay. We're gonna do that with a rib. Let me just like, I don't know, I have so much clay dust in my hands. I'm just kind of like sort of clean it up. Okay. I'm so tired. I'm so tired still. This is our rib. I'm just gonna clean off the edge because I had a bit of clay on there. This is the rib that we're going to use, and we're just going to just kind of apply some pressure, run it along the slab. It's kind of catching on the clay. We want to do this a number of times in different directions and on both sides of the slab. Okay, let's do like maybe one more time on this side. This step is like, it's so easy to forget. Sometimes it's like, I don't know, maybe like 30% of the time I forget to do this, but it's really important to make sure that your clay is compressed. Okay, what is going on over in this side? I don't know what it's doing over there. This side is a bit easier to see. We have like lots of like cracks and stuff. And I would say generally about the amount of times that it takes to just smooth over those, the slab is probably like fairly well compressed. We're really going to try to avoid this area just because it's so wonky. Try not to cut the bunny out from that side. Okay, I think this is pretty good. Oh, maybe I'll lift up. I don't know if that really matters. If it's kind of stuck to the board. Okay, and what do I want? Maybe I'll just grab this. This is just, I don't know what this is. Pottery knife? It's not sharp like whatsoever. Okay. And I'm going to grab my little, I think this is a fettling knife. I mean, this is a fettling knife, but it's just kind of like a small version. I think that's what you would call this. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's start from the spot I can see it. I'm just gonna try to hold it at a right angle. And then afterwards, I'm going to carve the dish at an angle. Okay. Anyway, so yesterday, oh my gosh. Yesterday, I had the brilliant idea that this is like so like, I feel like my mom would be shaking her head if I I haven't told her I did this, but I feel like she would be shaking her head if I did. I thought it'd be a great idea to go and buy a gumball machine. It's basically a gumball machine if that's just what you want to picture. But yeah, and then I bought these little capsules that can go inside of it. I did make sure that like the capsules are the right size and stuff. And will fit. It's not exactly a gumball machine, but that's kind of what it is, sort of. And for the market, I'm gonna have this out on my table, and it's gonna have like little like coupons inside of it. So I'm hoping it will entice people to come over and see what I have at my booth. Because they'll be like, oh, what is that? Like I saw some video of this girl on YouTube. She was talking about her booth, and she has like a spin the wheel, kind of game, and it has like coupons and stuff. Or like maybe it's like you get a free sticker, something like that. And I was like, oh, okay. So I was like thinking like about doing it like with a gumball machine, and that was yesterday. So Tuesday, wait, no, that was Monday. And I was like, if I'm gonna do this, I need to order this ASAP, because the market is on Saturday, so it needs to be here like Friday. And I ordered it. I have no idea if it's going to come on time. I couldn't find any that are sold like with Prime. So I had to pay for shipping, which I'm like mildly upset about. But I'm like, whatever. But because it doesn't have Prime, I don't know if that means it's coming from a different country, or if like some guy is just like shipping it out of his house. I don't know. But Amazon doesn't like have it like on hand, I don't think. I think that's what that means. So I'm hoping to get it before Friday. But I mean, this isn't the only weekend that I'm going to do a market though, so it's fine. I'm just like really excited. I think it's gonna be so fun. And yeah, I'm just like really excited. I'm definitely going to take some pictures either way and post those on Instagram if you guys want to check those out. But yeah, I'm just like really excited for this market. And hopefully it'll be a slam dunk, maybe. I have no idea. I'm just really hoping, really. I feel like I just need to get my stuff out in front of people, you know? Like, I just feel like people need to see the stuff, you know? And I know I'm not really getting found on Etsy very much these days, stuff like that. I just feel like I need to get out in front of people. So here's to hoping the market goes well. Also hoping that my banner comes in time. And the business cards. I actually only have like a few business cards left. This whole time I've been like, I thought I was going to sort of like incorporate what I was going to put on the t-shirts onto like the business cards, but I really like the new banner that I made for my Etsy. It just kind of has like some just kind of like some abstract shapes and stuff that are really fun. And let me just like wipe my hand off. So it has like some abstract shapes, and it's more of like my banner design though. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, but I just needed to get something made. Because it's meant to just say like handmade ceramics by JC Shumke. And then like on my Etsy, like my profile, whatever, has my logo in it. So I put my logo like on top of that text on the banner, and that's what I went with. I'm still working on the shirt thing. Obviously, like that is definitely not gonna be done. But I'm trying to like sort of just do like some simple like illustration type work of like some pottery. And what I have so far is, let me go like this way. What I have so far is like some outlines. I actually took photos of like my vases and the cups and all of that. So I took some photos, some side view ones, and I drew outlines of those. And I thought it'd be like kind of cool to do like something like that, and then like I don't know, maybe it's just kind of like maybe like a mishmash of them. I have some ideas of like them just kind of like sitting on a like shelves or something. I don't know if I'm going to fill them in with color or keep them as outlines, but I thought that was something I would put on my business cards. We're not doing it on business cards yet. I'm just like, I needed to print something. But I kind of like it. We'll see where this like illustration thing goes. I still think it'd be cute on like a t-shirt. Like it has like outlines or whatever, like shapes of my pottery. In some kind of configuration, and then like small, like at the bottom, it just has like my logo. That's kind of like what I'm thinking. Some kind of iteration of that. Well, I put some prices on the stuff. I need to double check to make sure everything has a price tag. I kind of want to, I'm not really sure. Somehow, like, see how my configuration is gonna go beforehand with like the displays and stuff, like where they're gonna sit on the tables. I don't have that kind of space in my apartment. So I'm like, I don't know how I could possibly do that. If I extremely wanted to, I could haul all of it downstairs, I suppose, and try to do that. Like, I feel like someone would get upset if it was in the conference room, but like, I don't know, outside. I don't know. I feel like I don't feel like doing that. And I don't know if I would get in trouble. I don't know. Oh, here's the other one. Let's see. I think we're gonna like just barely have time to do like maybe like one more. I'm kind of leaning towards like doing the bunny. Make sure we have that done. I have not just like sat down here and worked on any of these ceramic things, like just off stream, in like so long. Just so many things going on. I should probably stand up. Okay, I think this one might be good. Let's go ahead and wedge this one up too. This is the other one we had for the cat. Okay, I think this one might be good. Okay. Now I'm really tired. Okay. Goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna move this a little bit. Oh, let me get these out. This could actually maybe go down a little bit more, like this way. Okay, and that I think is completely flat now. What else? What else? I know Thursday I'm going to cancel the stream just because I'm probably going to be doing like any last minute market stuff. I have that day off too, so in lieu of Juneteenth, because I'm actually gonna work Juneteenth. So my team has like a little bit of coverage. But then I'm gonna take Thursday off. Yeah, so I think I'll probably be like, I don't know, making sure I have all my signage. I want to make like, I'm gonna make a sign. So like all those things that like I used to make, I'm still trying to sell them. I have a dedicated maker place shop for them. So that's like my paintings, mug rugs, other coasters. I have like cat toys, greeting cards, stickers. I have a bunch of things. And I'm kind of trying to get rid of them. Kind of seeing if I can like recoup any money I put into them with any sales. But I don't know. When I was thinking of like promotions, I thought it'd be like kind of fun to do like maybe just like a free sticker with any purchase. And I have a variety of stickers. They're mostly dogs, but there's like a variety of like dogs, cats, quote stickers, a bunch of things. And actually, let me make sure I did this side enough. So free sticker with purchase. And then I was kind of thinking maybe doing, so I have these like mug rugs. They're like knit. They're just little knit, tiny like rugs for your mug. You know, and they are super cute. I have a million of them. Because I had this like giant boom a few years ago, and like ever since then I just like kept my inventory up with them, like making sure I had like I don't know, maybe like 10 or so of each color and whatever. But ever since then they haven't like sold. So I have so many. I have like, I think like 1.5 like tote boxes full. So I was thinking of doing like, don't quote me on this, but I'm thinking with every purchase of like $40 or more, you can get like a free mug rug. Some people say they look too wintry, but I don't know. They just kind of look like a little rug. I guess we'll just see. But yeah, so like if you purchase like $40 or more, you can have a free little mug rug. That's what I'm thinking. I've actually like given away a lot of my cat toys. Like some of my coworkers purchased some ceramic pieces from me, and I knew they had cats, so I just sent them like some cat toys too that I had made. Cause all my coworkers are so sweet. They're so nice. Like I don't know, and who did I send? I don't know. I think I sent some to someone else. I don't know. Oh, maybe I think I sent something to my niece. My niece like recently got a cat. I think I sent her like a bunch, maybe like 3 or something. But yeah, I actually don't have too many more of those. I have a lot of felt, so I can definitely make more for like my Maker Place shop. I'm planning on like, I don't know, whenever I have that time. Which, who knows when that's going to be, but I am planning on making some more. Let me see. I don't know where to put this. I think I'll just put it over here. I need more of my little, what are these called? Stir stick things. I need more of them. I'm just gonna like smush this into this giant ball of clay of extra that we have and will not be using. So yeah, I don't know. It feels really random to be giving those things away, but I don't know. I just happen to have them and I kind of need to get rid of them, sort of. Or like, I don't know, maybe it will entice people to like buy things. Like, I don't know, like, I always think that's really fun. I've seen that at like Barnes and Noble or like Round One if you spend a certain amount of money, oh, I have a meeting at 2:00, so we have to definitely finish just a little bit before that. But yeah, like Barnes and Noble round one, if you buy like a certain amount of like, I don't know, whatever, like they give you like a free thing, like a free little toy, or like Barnes and Noble, they've done like tote bags. And I don't know, it's like so fun. I need to put these like things up before I like ruin this thing. So we will see how that goes. I don't know what else I have. I mean, I have a few greeting cards, but I don't want to like, I don't want to overwhelm people. Be like, oh, look at all of these crazy things that you can get if you spend this much money. I don't want to be like too crazy. You know, I feel like if it was just like one item, it's like either you'll take it or you don't want it. Like, you don't have to like make a huge decision or anything. Okay, I think that works fine. And then the like gumball machine thing, I'm gonna be putting like yeah, I'm sure you can imagine a bunch of like different deals in there. Like I don't know what I came up with. Jason and I like kind of edited them, but stuff like, I don't know, buy one get one 10% off or something. Like there's like a random one that's like get $1 off your order. There's one that's just like get a free sticker. So yeah, I don't know, just like, you know, those kind of like deals that you'll see at stores or whatever. But they're in like a little capsule in the, what looks like a gumball machine. It's so cute. I'm literally like so excited. Also, I've spent like way too much money on it. I'm so used to having Amazon Prime. Like the one that I found, it was $30 to ship it. And I was like, wow. And then I found like another one that hopefully is exactly the same. But that one was like, it was a little bit more expensive for the machine, but it was $10 to ship it. And I think there's like maybe like a $10 difference between the two. I'm pretty sure they're just like the same thing being sold to by different shops, you know? I think that's called white labeling. I mean, I'm pretty sure the photo in the listing was exactly the same. Not that that means it's the same product, because they could just take whatever the heck photo from the internet that they find and like put it on there. Like, who knows who's selling on Amazon? You can't completely trust people there. Almost like eBay to some extent, you know? But yeah, I'm really hoping that for one, it comes before Saturday, and then two, that it's actually decent. They're definitely more expensive ones. I found ones that were like, I don't know. There are ones that were like $140 and stuff. And those ones didn't even have like, you know, like typical like kind of gumball machine things have like a stand. Those ones didn't even have a stand. Those ones were more expensive than what I got, but hopefully what I got is fine. I'm pretty sure it's not like a plastic one. A lot of the smaller versions are just like this cheap plastic toy, which I was kind of fine with, but at the same time, all of the reviews for like the plastic toy ones were really bad. So I was like, okay, maybe I shouldn't do that. Wow, look at this nice giant ball of clay that we didn't use. I actually wrote these out like not too bad though. As far as like guessing how much clay we needed. I mean, we had a bit of extra, but not like, I feel like per thing, it's good to have like a little bit extra, you know? Cause that one kind of had like that little like groove in it. Okay, I'm gonna set all of these out. So they can kind of chill here a little bit. And I think after my meeting, I'm going to like wrap them up. I don't want them to just sit here and dry all day. I just want them to like maybe just kind of sit for a little bit. And then maybe they'll be, maybe they'll kind of like dry up just enough for us to carve out tomorrow. That's what we want. We want to carve them out tomorrow. Alrighty. Well, let me like wrap this up before I forget. I should probably spray it down, although it is like, this ball of clay is not all that moist. But whatever. We should use this pretty soon before both of these like dry up though. Preferably we'll use them. I do not want to throw this much back into the reclaim. That's like too much. All right, well, I think we'll just end here just so I can kind of like go wash my hands before my meeting. Yeah, well, that's our stream for today. Thank you so much for joining either on Twitch or checking the video on YouTube. If you're watching on Twitch, be sure to follow along so you know when I hop on for streams. Again, the stream for Thursday is going to be canceled, but typically we stream Monday through Friday from 1 to 2 p.m. Pacific time. And then all the videos are uploaded to YouTube at calieandco. There we actually have like over 166 or so, definitely over that many on the YouTube playlist. So you could just like throw it on and do some chores, or you can do some art or whatever if you want to listen to me rant in the background an hour at a time. I don't know what you guys do, but sure. Yeah. The YouTube also has some other ceramic related videos, like some how-tos, some like tutorials. We have some other things that are specific to just like small handmade business type topics, or some videos that are just great for any artist to check out. So yeah, well, thank you so much for joining. Be sure to follow along or subscribe where you're watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And I will see you guys later. All right, bye.